How to automate your finances. Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that can revolutionize your financial life. How to automate your finances. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why automating your finances is such a game changer. Automating your finances is like having a personal assistant who manages money while you focus on the things that matter most. It simplifies your financial life, helps save more, avoid late fee, and achieve financial goals with minimal effort. 1. Set up direct deposit. 1.1. Paycheck allocation. When you receive your paycheck, have it directly deposited into your bank account. This ensures that your money is available when you need it, and you won't have to waste time depositing checks. 1.2. Splitting income. Additionally, consider splitting your income into different accounts. You can allocate a portion to your savings, bills, and spending. This makes it easier to manage money and track progress towards financial goals. 2. Set up automatic transfers. 2.1. Emergency fund. Start by automating transfers to your emergency fund. Having a dedicated savings account for emergencies is crucial, and automating contributions ensures you consistently build this safety net. 2.2. Retirement savings. Next, automate contributions to your retirement accounts, like a 401k or IRA. This ensures you're saving for your future, and the money grows over time thanks to compound interest. 2.3. Additional savings goals. You can also set up automatic transfers for other savings goals, such as a vacation fund or a down payment for a home. Now, let's talk about managing your bills the smart way. 3. Set up automatic bill payments. 3.1. Utility bills. Most utility providers, like electricity, water, and internet, offer automatic bill payment options. This ensures you never miss a payment, avoiding late fees and potential service interruptions. 3.2. Credit card payments. For credit card bills, you can automate the minimum payment or pay the full balance every month. This prevents interest from piling up, and you'll never have to worry about late fees. 3.3. Loan payments. If you have loans, such as a car loan or mortgage, set up automatic payments to ensure you meet your obligations without fail. Now, let's delve into a habit that can simplify your investments. 4. Automated investing. 4.1. Employer-sponsored retirement plans. If your employer offers a retirement plan like a 401k, take advantage of it and contribute automatically from your paycheck. Many employers even match your contributions, which is like free money. 4.2. Automated investment platforms. You can also use automated investment platforms like robo-advisors. These services create and manage a diversified investment portfolio for you, making investing hassle-free. 4.3. Dollar cost averaging. Automated investing also allows you to practice dollar cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This strategy can help reduce the impact of market volatility on your investments. Now, let's discuss a habit that can help you conquer your debt. 5. Set up automatic debt payments. 5.1. Credit cards. For credit card debt, automate your payments to ensure you make at least the minimum payment on time. This helps you avoid high interest charges and improve your credit score. 5.2. Student loans and mortgages. If you have student loans or a mortgage, consider setting up automatic payments for these as well. Consistent payments can help you pay off your debts faster. Now, let's delve into a habit that can optimize your spending. 6. Budgeting and expense tracking. 6.1. Expense tracking apps. Use expense tracking apps or budgeting software to monitor your spending. Many of these tools allow you to link your accounts and automatically categorize your transactions. 6.2. Notifications and alerts. Set up notifications and alerts for your spending categories. For example, you can receive an alert when you've spent a certain amount on dining out or shopping. This keeps you mindful of your spending habits. 6.3. Automatic savings from surplus. Consider automating your savings from surplus funds. If you have money left over in your budget at the end of the month, have it automatically transferred to your savings or investment accounts. Lastly, let's discuss a habit that can help you stay informed about your financial health. 7. Regular financial check-ins. 7.1. Monthly review. Dedicate time each month to review your financial accounts, transactions, and progress towards your financial goals. This helps you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. 7.2. Annual financial checkup. Additionally, conduct an annual financial checkup. Review your credit report, assess your investment portfolio, and make any necessary changes to your financial plan. So, there you have it, the ultimate guide on how to automate your finances. By adopting these habits, you'll not only simplify your financial life but also increase your financial stability and achieve your money-related goals more efficiently. Remember, automation doesn't mean relinquishing control. It means gaining control over your finances by letting systems work for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content on personal finance and financial empowerment, and please leave a comment below. Until next time, keep automating, keep thriving, and keep achieving your financial dreams. Thanks for watching.